With the Quad Weather Minute, I'm Maureen Farley. Summer isn't behind us yet, Westchester. We'll be seeing a high of 93 degrees today with partly cloudy skies. Our sunset will be at 7:21 p.m. today. A look around the nation. We'll be seeing 67 degrees and cloudy skies in Seattle, 66 degrees and partly sunny skies in San Francisco, 78 degrees and sunny in Los Angeles, and 96 degrees and partly cloudy skies in Phoenix. And then along the East Coast, we'll be seeing 76 degrees in Boston, 88 degrees and partly sunny in New York, 94 degrees and partly cloudy in Washington, and 93 degrees and partly sunny in Atlanta. Bringing it back to Westchester, tonight we'll drop to a low of 75 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, we're looking at a high of 89 and partly cloudy skies. Friday night, the temperature drops to 73 degrees with 40% chance for precipitation into the night. Download the brand new Quad mobile app. Just search for WCU Quad on Google Play or iTunes and like us on Facebook. Reporting for the Quad, I'm Maureen Farley. Have a great day, Westchester.